Hi guys, it's me Valentina, and today we're gonna talk about best site for bets on sport. Oh my god, I just need to tell you about it because it's my favorite site and I want you to know about it. 1xBet. I think you already heard about this site, but you don't know all about this site. So here, we have bets on sport, of course, and here you can just pick everything that you want with sport, even if you like to do bets on, let me find it, where is it, it was somewhere here. It calls Toto. I don't really know what is this, so if you know, please write in comments because the name of this sport is very funny. I can't find it. It was just here. Toto. Where is Toto? Okay, maybe I'm gonna find it later because I just really want to show it. So yeah, how you can see, a lot of variants of sport here we have. Even darts. Oh my god. I don't know. Have you seen like darts on sites? So maybe you like to play darts and you like to do bets on darts. Why not? You have it here. So it's very cool. Also, we can pick sport here and here, and volleyball. Here you're choosing the state that you need, like Turkey. And here we can see everything that they have with Turkey. And also look at this design, it's very simple and we have only what we need. So I think it's very cool. Here we can see your bets. Here we have bet slip. So nothing more, only what we need. Here we have chat. If you need to chat, you can do it right here. You don't need to go to another site, I don't know, Telegram or something like that. You have it here. So it's very cool. I think it's very helping to have more time to just be on this site, play, win, and I think it's very good idea to do a chat here. So also, I want to say something about support because I tried to do a problem because I've never had a problem on this side, but I just wanted to test the support. So I just pretend that I have a problem and I brought them, and I wasn't shocked because they answered me like in a second and they really helped me with my problem. And for me it's like wow, because on different sides it's very hard to, because on different sides if you have a problem you need to wait 5 days or even more for support to answer and help you. But here is another story because support here answering like in a second is very cool. For this, like, thank you who did this site, and oh my god. Also here we have a button mobile version. For me it's very cool because using a computer it's now very easy, because when you're not at home and you want to play, you don't have computer with you, so it's very cool that you can go on mobile version and play there. And for me it's easier than can come back home and grab a computer. So yeah, that's why for me mobile version is pretty good, very helpful. Here also we have free buttons like Facebook, Twitter and Instagram. I'm using only Instagram because for me Instagram is like daily routine. Every time I go there, see what new, and here you can press and you're gonna go on there. 1xBet site, and there you can see like new things, like new bonus games, new games. What about sport? So for me it's very cool because you always know new information. So yeah, very helpful. Also, yeah, I said about games. I'm gonna tell about it a few minutes later. So yeah, here you can see partners, a lot of good partners, and it's very pleasure because not everyone has that's good partners. If you're gonna press here 1x games, you're gonna see that this site has not only bets on sport, this my favorite site has games, casino games, and it's very cool. So here is a fast game. If you have like not a lot of time but you want to get pretty fast money, fast wins, you can play a fast game here on this side. You don't need to search for another one. Everything is here. That's why I really like this site. Everything what I need is right here, and everything works pretty good. About money, when you're pressing the button that your wins comes to your card, it comes like in this day, in one day. You press and like wait 5 minutes and your win, your money already on your card. And it's pretty good because sometimes you have a situation when you have no money and you need to get it fast from nowhere. You just can go on this side, do a bet on sport or fast game on casino. You're gonna move it to your card, your wins, and you're gonna already have money. I think it's pretty cool. So yeah, here we have a lot of slots, a lot of casinos. Here we can press show more and more. I'm gonna show you my favorite game. I think it's somewhere here. Two my favorite games, what I play and always win. Here, Sweet Bonanza. I think you already heard about this game, maybe played. If you like this game like so you can write me in comments, because I don't know why in Sweet Bonanza I'm winning every time. I don't know how it's working, but every time when I'm playing I always get out with the wins, and playing like even maybe 1 hour I'm winning every time. And the second game, I'm gonna search here because it's easier to find. It calls Dog House, I think. Yeah, the Dog House. Oh my god, this game is very cute, and with dogs, with there's food houses. It's very cute, and also I'm winning there like every time. I don't know how, but for me these two games where I'm winning like every time. Other games, yeah, of course I'm winning but losing too. But here in Sweet Bonanza and the Dog House, it's like every time winning, no losing. I don't know how. So yeah. Also on this side we have live casino, like you can play blackjack, poker, and something like that. So here, if we press on Esports, here we also have games with sport. So Dota 2, CSGO, Valorant. I don't know, I'm not using this, so I'm not playing this game, so I don't really know about these games. But I know a lot of boys playing with Dota 2 CSGO, so it's pretty cool that this site has it too. Thank you. There you have everything that we need. So here also we have promo. What is promo? If you don't know how it's working or how to get it, you just can press on some picture. Oh my god, look at this cute cat. It looks very good, very cool. I really like design because it's similar but it's simple, but it looks very cool. So here you can take part, and everything that you want to need, you can just read it here. And if you like it, you can buy it and play and win more. So yeah, here also they have bingo. Oh my god, when, like, the last time when you play bingo, I think it was like a lot of time ago, because nowhere you can find it. Here they have bingo. Oh my god, it's very cool to I don't know, to play something that you played like 10 years ago. Oh my god. So here more, they have this window. If you want to know about poker more, TV games more, and other stuff, you can read it here. So to understand more, maybe you never played poker and you want to know how to do it, so you're gonna get the information from there. So here we have also fast game, jackpot. So also if you need a fast money, fast wins, you can do it here and not waste your time. So yeah, that's cool. That's this side has not only bets on sport, and also they have casino and the games like CSGO, Dota 2, you know about this. So yeah, I think it's very cool idea to do this, everything on one side, because you don't need to waste your time to search for another site. So cool. So that's why I want you to know about this site, and I want you to try here to play with bets on sports, or maybe you prefer more casinos. So if you're gonna try, write me in comments, do you like it? Because I'm sure you're gonna like it. It was Valentina, and I see you in the next video. Bye bye.